afraid. In the night your fire leads. You are all I'll ever need. Frozen winds, they call my name, but your voice burns like a flame. Every step I follow true. All my hope is found in you. When the shadows fall and rise, I will lift my battle cry. My hope is in you. I will fight, I will move. Through the fire, through the rain, I will shout your holy name. My strength comes from you. Every victory is true. I won't fall, I won't break. With your power I awake. Steel and faith inside my chest. In your name I face the test. Every scar, every pain turns to glory in your name. From the valley to the throne, I am never on my own. You are King forever true. All my hope is found in you. Hear the thunder, feel the ground. Heaven's army all around. My hope is in you. I will fight, I will move. Through the darkness I will rise. With your fire in my eyes. My strength comes from you. Every promise you renew. I won't fear, I won't shake. In your name I conquer fate. You are my shield, my sword revealed. I stand in grace. I will run this holy race. Raise your voice and sing. Glory to the King. My hope is in you. Forever strong and true. Through the storm I will stand, guided by your mighty hand. My hope is in you. There is nothing I can't do. With your light I will rise. Victory before my eyes. When the night hunts the weak, when arrows darken the sky, when kings tremble and towers fall, there is a shelter no storm can break. The Most High still reigns. Frost of the valley below, where wolves cry loud and the cold winds blow. But fear has no throne where my spirit stands, for I am held by immortal hands. No plague shall enter the gate of my soul. No darkness can swallow what heaven made whole. The fire may roar, the earth may shake, but the rock of ages will never break. I hear the ravens call my name, yet I rise untouched by flame. Under his wings I will remain, sheltered from thunder, guarded from pain. Sword of lawless traps in the field, but truth is the shield no spear can pierce. The pestilence rides through cities of stone, yet I do not walk these roads alone. Angels descend with iron wings wide, marching like warriors at my side. They lift my feet from hidden graves and break the chains that bind the slaves. The storm may scream against the sea, but no wave can bury destiny. Under his wings I will remain, sheltered from thunder, guarded from pain. Sword of the night shall not strike me down, for my king wears the eternal crown. Under his wings I stand unshaken, never abandoned, never forsaken. Though 10,000 fall beside my way, my God is fortress night and day. He is my refuge, he is my shield. Before his power all armies kneel. He is my tower, he is my flame. The stars themselves cry out his name. Forever I stand, marked by mercy, led by his hand. Night cannot claim what heaven has sealed. In the shadow of God I will not yield. Under his wings till kingdoms fade, till mountains fall and skies are frayed. I fear no grave, I fear no sword, for life is mine within the Lord. He shall cover thee, and under his wings you shall trust. No retreat. No retreat. I move forward, I won't turn back. Through every trial, through every attack, the ground may shake beneath my feet, but I'll stand firm, I won't retreat. You called my name, you made me rise, put fire and truth inside my eyes. No fear can stay, no doubt can stand. Your power moves through this land. I won't bow, I won't bend. You are with me till the end. No retreat, I stand on my feet, with faith as my shield. I will never yield, no turning back. I stay on this path, you lead the way. I walk by faith. I walk by faith. Through every storm I keep my pace. I feel your strength, I feel your grace. No step